Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to delete a school on Remind School Communication app. Now if you want to delete this school on Remind School Communication app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the way end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to delete the school on Remind School Communication app, make sure that you have installed the Remind School Communication app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. So after that you need to simply open the Remind School Communication app. Now this is the home page of Remind School Communication app, where you'll see various options on the upper taskbar as well as the bottom taskbar. Now the delete school option is only available on the web page, so you need to log into the Remind account on your web page and you need to click on the option of settings, which will be at the very top right, and from there you need to go to the school section and click on the school which you want to delete, and by doing all of it you'll be able to delete the schools very easily. But the thing is that you can't simply delete the school on its own. Only school owners or administrators can delete a school, and deleting a school removes it permanently from the Remind School Communication app. And if you want to stop managing the school without deleting it, you can transfer the ownership to the another admin. So the thing is that you can't simply delete it from the app. You need to go on the web page and you may delete it from there, like the previous steps which I have told you. So that's it. That's how you can delete the school on Remind School Communication app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.